Good morning, sir and madam. I am Aryan from class 9 of Parivartan Gurukul School, and this is the project that I have made, whose name is Corona Frontline Guard. Now, in these days of pandemic, you can see a security guard or a volunteer scanning our temperature and supplying us with sanitizer. But this person is in close contact to many people who might be containing the virus. For this reason, I have made this contactless temperature sensor and a sanitizer dispenser. Now, in this project, there are two parts: the temperature sensor and the sanitizer dispenser. First, I will tell you the working principle of temperature sensor. In this temperature scanner, there are mainly 5 parts: the Arduino board, the temperature sensor, the LCD screen, the motor and the relay. Now, how this works is, when I keep my hand near the temperature sensor, it will take the reading from my hand and it will transport this data to Arduino board. Arduino board then calculates if the temperature is normal or abnormal and simultaneously sends the message to the LCD screen and to the motor. Now I will show you the working of this. When I keep my hand over here, it shows you my body temperature and it says you have access, gate is open. When I enter, I've kept 8 seconds delay so that if a person is old or if he is carrying luggage, he can do so easily. Now, what happens if the person's temperature is high? I'll show you that too. I keep my hand very close to the sensor. It will show 42. It will show that I have fever, the gate is closed. Now, this is a benefit, as if the person is not able to enter, the people around him might get a message that he has fever and can move out. Now, I'll show you the principle of the sanitizer dispenser. In the sanitizer dispenser, there are mainly 3 parts: the Arduino board, the ultrasonic sensor and the water pump. Now, what happens in this that there are 2 parts in the ultrasonic sensor. One is the transmitter and one is the receiver. The transmitter transmits the ultrasonic waves. If an object comes in the path of those waves, the wave is reflected back and is received by the receiver. This technique is also used by whales and bats and is also known as echolocation. Now, I will show you the demo of this. First, I connect the power bank. And the motor. Now, when I keep my hand, you can see the sanitizer is getting pumped out. You might be wondering, why have I made this project since it's all over in the market? And this is because many businesses are going out of business in this pandemic. So this is a great relief for them and is affordable by everyone. Now, coming on to the benefits of this project. This will save the salary of the person. We also can't trust a human to do his work truthfully. Now, this also doesn't take any breaks like the humans do for the lubricant lunch break. 3. This is affordable for the people who are going out of business and can't afford giving salary to the person. 5. This does not spread any kind of virus. Thank you.